Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to change your Infiniti Q50 grill using an easy method. This process is straightforward and can be completed with just a few common tools. You will need a 10mm socket wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a panel clip removal tool. Before starting, open your hood and apply masking tape to the edges of your bumper and headlights to prevent any scratches during the removal process. Let's get started. Now, let's begin detaching the front bumper. First, use your flathead screwdriver or clip removal tool to pop out the 6 to 10 plastic clips along the top of the bumper. Next, get underneath the car and remove the approximately 10mm bolts securing the bumper to the undercarriage. Finally, turn your wheels to access the fender liner and remove the 1 or 2 10mm bolts on each side that connect the bumper to the fender. This allows the bumper to be carefully pulled away. With the bumper partially detached, you can now gently pull it forward to gain access to the back of the grille. You typically do not need to disconnect all electrical harnesses. Carefully unhook the clips and remove any 10mm bolts holding the old grille in place. Once removed, transfer your Infiniti emblem to the new grille if necessary. Then, position the new grille, ensuring all its clips align correctly, and secure it firmly with the 10mm bolts. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps you followed for removal. Carefully push the bumper back into place, ensuring all clips snap securely and all 10mm bolts are tightened. If you disconnected any electrical harnesses for fog lights or sensors, reconnect them now. Finally, step back and perform a thorough visual inspection. Check that your new grille is perfectly aligned, all gaps are even, and everything feels snug and secure. Enjoy your refreshed Infiniti Q50.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.